Welcome back to Low Buck Builds. In this video we're going to get this bed taken apart so we can slide it back and get at these cab corners. I'm hoping I can move it back about 6 inches so we can get in here and get these cut out and replaced. So stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is get this tailgate off. So I made a rookie mistake and left my plate on. I decided to have a little fun and make some fun of myself. If you can't make fun of yourself, then what's the point? Enjoy. Next, we're going to get the tail lights out. Next step, we're going to get this fill tube disconnected. So you got, for the tail lights, it was an 8mm, and for the gas fill hose it is a 7mm. So now for the fun part, I have zero faith that I'm not going to have to cut these. But we'll give it a shot. We'll try get them out, break them, or we'll cut them out. But we got to get these bed bolts out. There's 8 of them. I don't know if it's going to do much, but I'm going to take a wire brush and try to clean out the heads as much as I can. So as expected, I ended up having to cut these off, slice them up with the death wheel, and then buzz them off with the air hammer. 6 more to go. So after cutting the first 2 off, I noticed the bed was a lot more floppy than it should be with only 2 of the 8 bolts cut off. So I decided to take a look underneath, and as you can see, these frame rails are gone. I can lift up the back of the bed and it almost tacos because there's just nothing left of these. You can see here underneath the truck, they're just rotted out. And somebody decided to use some lumber to make it look like it held up. Luckily, I didn't put anything real heavy in this bed yet. Welcome to Michigan. So let's get the rest of these cut out. So here's the tools we're going to be using. Of course, you got a grinder, some glasses, big punch, little punch, hammer, air hammer, grinder. And I'll show you how we're doing these. So this is how I do it. You can probably get away with less cuts if you got better equipment. My air hammer is just a cheap one, so I end up cutting it a few more times just to make it a little easier. But whenever you can't get them off with the air hammer, then I go to the big punch or the big hammer and basically just knock these out. And basically that's what you're going for. Just get all the stuff out from around it, then just take a punch and punch the bolt through. Repeat 7 more times. So after about an hour and a half of beating on it, we got them all off. Now we gotta get the bumper off and get the wiring disconnected. So I forgot to record yesterday, but we have this taken off. I ended up just cutting the brackets because, like I said, they're bent up anyway. Originally I was planning on sliding the bed off, but I'm not going to do it yet because I'm going to get some help because I'm afraid it's going to fold in half like a taco. So I might recruit some help and pick it up on 4 corners and flip it over in the garage so I can redo the bed rails. So for now it's completely loose. I can slide it back and get at the cab corners tomorrow. As you can see, it's raining today, so tomorrow my goal is to get both sides of the cab corners in and hopefully part of the rockers in, and then I'll buy the parts and get this fixed up as well. While it's off, I'm planning on going ahead and cleaning up the frame, coating it. I'll replace the shocks too, and then obviously a new bumper. So thanks for hanging out, guys, and hopefully I'll have another video up Sunday night doing the cab corners. Thanks for watching.